Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Salesforce files using ContentVersion export workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup tab located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Quick Find box, type Data Export and select it from the drop-down options. On the Data Export page, click on the Export Now button or schedule a new export. Ensure you select ContentVersion as one of the objects to include in your export. Next, configure the export settings according to your preferences. You can choose to export files in either .csv or .zip format for easier access. After setting your preferences, click on Start Export to initiate the process. Once the export is complete, you will receive an email notification with a download link. Access your email and click the download link to retrieve your exported files. Once downloaded, locate the files on your system and extract them if necessary. Open the .csv or .zip file to review the exported ContentVersion records. For further organization, create a dedicated folder for your backed up Salesforce files. You may want to implement a regular backup schedule for consistency and data safety. Periodically check for any added or modified files in Salesforce to keep your backup current. To enhance security, consider encrypting the backup files or storing them in a secure cloud location. For large datasets, you may want to utilize Salesforce Data Loader to streamline the export process. Launching Data Loader, log into your Salesforce account and select the Export option. Choose ContentVersion as the object you wish to export and specify the fields you want to include. Set the criteria for your export, if necessary, to filter the files accordingly. Proceed to define the target file path where you want the exported data saved. Click Finish to complete the export process and check the target folder once it's done. Regularly reviewing and managing your backups will ensure that your Salesforce data remains secure and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.